biggest mysteries on the U of I campus is the alleged existence of underground tunnels connecting most buildings on campus. The urban legend is known by most students on campus. It is rumored that some students have visited the tunnels. It is also thought that the tunnels were used to travel between buildings on the quad during winter. We have reason to believe that the tunnels were used for other reasons that the university does not want you to know.
The university seems to be hiding the existence of these tunnels, but why? Did something go wrong in the tunnels? What is their purpose? We believe we have evidence proving the existence of the tunnels and why they exist. Hi, my name is Cody.
And my name is Nihal, and we're going to unravel the mystery of the underground tunnels.
We have reason to believe that the underground tunnels exist for a mysterious purpose. First of all, we know these tunnels exist because of this map. The biggest question is, why do they exist? We have traced the origin of the tunnels to Noise Lab.
Is it a coincidence that the tunnels would connect the chemistry labs to Noise, Roger Adams, and the chemistry annex? Why would the tunnels originate here and connect experimental buildings? Could there have been experiments done in the tunnels? Why is the university trying to hide this? We believe an experiment went horribly wrong, and we are going to find out what really happened.
Here we are outside the chemistry annex, about to explore the tunnels and investigate the mystery. After searching the archives, we think there was an experiment years ago that failed. So if an experiment went wrong, there might be some kind of evidence down here.
Now we are about to enter the tunnels. There have been rumors that people that have gone down this way have gone missing. Let's take a look.
Oh my God! What was that? Let's follow it! I want to see demons! Go! Keep going.
Where are we? So that's where it leads. So to recap, we entered through the chemistry annex and came out in Roger Adams' lab, chasing what we believe is an experiment gone wrong. This is why the university is hiding the tunnels.
So, Administrator Umair, are you aware of an underground tunnel system on campus?
I've heard of them, but I've never actually seen them.
So what do you believe is their purpose?
If they did exist, it'd probably be for maintenance or utilities.
So have you had to deal with any failed experiments in the chemistry buildings?
There are always a few minor failed experiments.
So, what do you do when they happen?
We usually let the scientists deal with them. You should ask one of them.
So, Professor Arturo, where are most experiments conducted?
Most are done in the basement labs.
What about in the tunnels? Would you need some kind of passageway to connect experiment rooms?
Yes, we needed an easier way to move equipment around through the tunnels.
So, these tunnels are real. What do you know about failed experiments in the past?
Well, we've only had one major failed experiment. The rest were very minor.
So what was this major failed experiment?
We stopped the experiment after something went horribly wrong. There was a spillage in the tunnel and some of the material was not cleaned up correctly.
So, what do you think of this footage that we have?
First of all, those tunnels are sealed, so no one can go down there. Second of all, this video looks fake. There's nothing down there. Stop trying to stir up conspiracy.
To recap our experience, we started from the chemistry annex. Then while we were exploring the underground tunnel between Chem Annex and Roger Adams' laboratory, we had a sighting of a possible monster living in the tunnels. Then we interviewed an administrator who referred us to the scientist. We then interviewed a professor. He told us about a major failed experiment in the tunnels, but he rejected our evidence of a monster in the tunnels, as he clearly saw.
As you can see, we have evidence that the university may be hiding the existence of the underground tunnels because of a failed experiment. There may be a dangerous being living down there. This may be why students can no longer use these tunnels to travel between the buildings on campus, as it is rumored that they once did.
Was what we saw a real monster? Did students really go missing? Possibly from this monster? Will we ever know the truth about the existence and purpose of these tunnels? We encourage students to be skeptical and to not listen to everything the authorities have to tell them.